man dun ka tinuod eh. Also, ang pala ito justify niya eh.
Ang church affiliation ba because of the property? No! Bisag, dili property sa PGCAG, but your church bearing the name of the Assemblies of God, your license is with the Assemblies of God. I push for our churches to be affiliated legally with signing with an affiliation form. Kaya usabi, magduwa. Affiliations. Okay, so affiliations na.
About the dinner, Mr. Chairman. I request the chairman to move to close the discussions since we are preparing for our first night. As I was asked by Pastor Victor Nokia.
You know it.
Nag-online mo ha? Any objection? Any second?
Second emotion.
Ha?